Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Episode 9 of Fixing the Roof, the final episode. It's finally finished. Let's recap, see what's happened. Well, I had a go at least, but unfortunately there was a heavy downpour and there was rain coming in through the roof. So all of my fixes were pretty much in vain. That's when we decided to hire in the professionals.
So here's the old iron off the roof off the back, and as you can see there's a lot of rust damage here, so even though I attempted to fix it, it was never going to get fixed really without a replacement. There's swags of holes right in here, swags of holes, it's a mess. So really the only option was a replacement. And despite the neighbour's dog barking constantly and the chickens going for it, you can see the new roof at the back there. It's still got a bit of finishing to do, but it's looking a million times better. It's almost as flash as the neighbour's roof. And the neighbour's dog, yeah. And as you can see, the main roof, that's been completely fixed and painted. It's looking way better than what it was. The solar panels have been cleaned. Things are looking good. And now the roofers are just replacing this carport roof. Once it's done, it's pretty much done. All the guttering's getting replaced as well. Amazing. So here's a piece of our new guttering, lovely and new. This has all been painted. It's going to hopefully last for a number of years. You can see all this is all brand new. This has been painted on the front. I'm going to have to get out here and finish the rest of the house off.
Well, in hindsight, we probably should have just got the professionals in to start with, but I'm glad it's all over. I'm glad it's all finished. It's a professional job. It looks fantastic. And we had an emergency fund to pay for it, which is the main thing. It's all done. It's all dusted. Thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll catch you later. See ya.